Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video several hours from now, yeah, the chart will look a little bit different to you, but my goal here from a presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So I've talked about, both of these that I've talked about, or I've talked about both of these that I've shown in the past, and that is the green line here and the red line. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move over the past 24 hours from Bitcoin. Got a huge bullish upward spring, and then right now, surprise, surprise, the power of charts, the price is sitting and struggling right here around this area of resistance at 4,400. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price cannot break above 4,400. I'm just saying it makes sense, technically speaking, why this big old move all of a sudden decided to stop right around this area on the chart. So 4,400 is going to be that first key level and leads into the first question to ask yourself. So let's just say you're watching this video, I don't know, 15 hours from now. Question number one is just simply, where's the price at relative to 4,400? If the price is still below it, that doesn't necessarily mean anything bad. Maybe that just means that the price needs to do some more consolidation. So, I mean, if the price is somewhere still right around here, then, everything's still perfectly fine. Now, if the price is all of a sudden down there, that's a whole nother story. So you kind of got to use a little gut instincts and common sense as you ask yourself these questions. But like I said, if the price is still below that level, not necessarily does that imply anything bearish, unless, like I said, the price is all of a sudden down below 4,000 or something of that nature. Now, if you are answering the question that the price actually is up above 4,400, once again, that's where some common sense and instincts need to come into play. If the price is, somewhere right around here, don't get me wrong, that's good. That's up above that level. Now, if the price is all of a sudden up at, 4,700 or above, that just tells you that the breakout is, continuing to be underway and that the bulls are gaining that much more strength. There's no doubt about it. Nobody can argue against the fact that right now, as I record this video, the bulls are definitely showing overall strength. But is this strength, is it going to be true in the sense of, being able to get continuation and such? That still remains to be seen. And that's where, this level of resistance at 4,400 is going to be very revealing. So again, if the price pulls back a little bit, not the end of the world. But of course, you don't want to see the price down below that green line down there, support. But that's all I'll mention of that because, that level is not very relevant right now. But yeah, big question going forward. Can the price ultimately break above 4,400? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.